Hello everyone. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to take static reports after statical analysis in MkaPEB. Let's get started. I have already opened our Connectiondesign model. So, after statical analysis, there is a reports button here, and I click reports. The program has two main reports. One is static model drawings, and the other one is calculation reports. You can take any report by clicking the selected button. Let's take statical model drawings first. I just click 3D model and click the print button. Then program create the 3D model. You can print it here. And of course, you can export this PDF file or image file available. I close here. Let's select another one. I select static x-axis and this one. Then I press print button. Here it's ready. Of course, you can take them all by clicking here. Then click print button. I don't do this because it takes some time. I have already taken it. Let me show it. And here. Here our 3D model, footing application, column application, mezzanine application, roof plan for upper court, static axis, and of course connections, and the connection details. I close this. Of course, you can take the calculation reports. I unselect this and click the calculation reports. In the same way of statical model drawing, you can select any report as your wish. Let's select wind loads on roofs. Then click print button. And program automatically create the wind report. Let's select Perlin design. Then click print button. And it's ready. The MkaPEB's reports are extremely detailed. You can see the formulas and of course you can see the results in a very vivid way. So the engineer can check the reports very easily because everything is opened. Of course, you can select all reports. I have already taken it for time saving. Let me show it. And here our reports is started. The loads shown. Of course, the reports are written based on your code selection. As you can see, reports are very detailed. See you next lesson.